Today's project, a 1960 T-Bird, also known as Maybelline. We're going to do a mild custom with this car as time allows it, starting off with the grille. I wanted something a little more toothy, so I'm going to try out this grille from a 1951 Ford pickup and modify that to fit into the opening, and then we'll go from there. All right, I think we're off to a great start. It's looking real nice and aggressive and mean. If you're familiar with the movie Christine, I think this is her cousin. I'm doing all this outside of my driveway, so old school, you know, work with what you got. I'll have to add some extensions to each side of the grill and probably put in the lower bumper filler pieces that I just cut out. So I needed to come up with a way to mount the grill into this opening. So I drilled locator holes and coincide that with a bracket and two studs welded on and nuts to act as spacers to shim it out from the body. So I have the paper template I made, transferred it to the metal, cut that out, And now what I want to do is put this edge underneath the tooth. Wouldn't that be nice? This way you can't see the weld. So I'm going to take the tooth off now, form it to the shape, and weld it into position. Wow, I can't believe those bolts actually came out like that. Not too bad. All right, so now we got a toothless wonder here. Now we can fabricate the end cap. Over here. right, Miss Maybelline. There's your new set of teeth. That's a good looking grill. There's a lot more work that we're going to be doing to it to get it to the point where we want it as a final product, but for now it's roughed in and gives me the general idea of the look that I want. Can't wait to see what happens next. See ya.